Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Beam. And I feel like I'm late to the party a little bit, which is weird because I covered Beam last week, or I covered Beam in the weekend quite a bit. And well, I haven't covered it in the last 2 days, I think, and I'm not sure why, because Beam itself, as most of you know if you're watching this video, has been super bullish. All right, Beam has been bullish, and personally, I'm also long on Beam, so I really don't know why I didn't cover it. I actually bought Beam down here, so that's 0.98 cents on Friday. So yeah, but now I wanted to do an update on that. I know a lot of you have been requesting Beam and are following and trading Beam, so I just wanted to give you my thoughts. We're going to do a full analysis. Beam at this moment, it's bullish. All right, that's all you need to know. So that's the video. No, I'm just kidding, but it's no. I mean, there's nothing bearish about Beam. So I just wanted to talk about. Look, right now there's it's quite obvious that there's some shady price action behind Beam. I think most of you will agree with me on that. Most of these new Binance futures listings have that. If you look at where the volume is coming from for Beam, it's not that crazy, I would say. But still, I mean, if you look at these spikes, etc., there's something going on. It doesn't matter because Beam, like I said, it is still bullish. Whether it's manipulated or not, it doesn't matter. So the big question is, well, will Beam continue? And that's a difficult question because over the last 24 hours, we've seen the open interest increase by a ton, by more than 100%, all right? So that's very bullish. That means that Beam has a lot of momentum, and that would naturally, I would say, it's going to increase, all right? So I do think the most likely scenario, usually if you see a price like this, where we're making higher lows, we're making higher highs, the open interest, we had a bit of a drop in the last 2 hours, but it's still high. Usually the most likely scenario then just is that it will continue. Now there seems to be, look, if you want confirmation, then what I would say is that there's support right here between 1.5 and 1.4 cents, especially around 1.5 cents. That's the strongest support. And then there's resistance at 1.6. See, purely technically, we're just waiting for a breakout out of this area. All right, so we're either waiting for Beam to break out above 1.6 cents, after which it will continue. Well, 1.75 cents is kind of my first price target. But I think ultimately, if 1.6 cents breaks again now, I think 1.85 would actually be a more logical, or not a more logical price target, but that's a stronger level technically. So that would be my price target. We're either waiting for that bullish breakout, like I said, above 1.6, or for Beam, and that's technically it's a possibility because of the shady moves that we're seeing. Or we're waiting for Beam to break down below 1.5 and 1.46 cents. And if it's not able to retake that as support immediately after, that's a major bearish breakout, and then Beam is probably done and will crash back down towards 1.2 and 1.25. So purely technically, that's what we're waiting for. And me, as a trader, I'm actually waiting for that as well. See, if Beam drops down below 1.5, I'm closing my short. But at this moment, if you take into account the strength of the market and the momentum, that's still very high for Beam. See, if this keeps dropping, then the situation changes. Then it becomes more likely that Beam will get a bearish breakout. But at this moment, it just seems to me that a bullish breakout is more likely. Now, I'm not sure if longing Beam right now is the best idea because the price is already up a ton. Price action is shady, but if you do want to long, I would still wait for that breakout. All right, so then you have confirmation because right now I'm leaning towards a bullish breakout, but technically both scenarios are possible. And that's also what you should know, and that's how you should trade it. All right. So yeah, those are my thoughts. And if you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. Down in the pinned comment in the description, you'll also find links to my own premium and signals group. That's up to you. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.